Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Glammed or Damned video. So today's Glammed or Damned video is going to be a little bit different. I've been seeing a lot of people microwave their beauty blenders and I wanted to see if it worked. So we're going to try it out today. I decided to not go with a $20 beauty blender, so I decided to try it out with a Real Technique sponge. So as you guys can see, this is an old dirty beat up sponge and it has like makeup stains and everything in it. So we're gonna clean it and try and see if it actually can get this dirt and makeup and all this out. Alright, so for this you're gonna need a microwave, obviously, a dirty sponge, a bowl, and I use Done Platinum. This is what I use to clean my brushes, so I just decided to stay with that. I'm gonna start by getting my water a little bit hot. I keep filling it to make it sure it's as hot as I want. Then I'm gonna fill up my bowl and I'm gonna also add in a little bit of that Done soap into the bowl. And as you guys see, I put a lot, but you definitely don't need that much. Then you're gonna take the sponge and put it into the bowl and then just kind of squeeze it and get all of the dirt out. And I just kept squeezing mine into, and as you guys can see, the water just started getting dirty and all of it was just coming out. And I just kind of squeezed it at the bottom just to kind of get it like in the water. And then once I've done that, I did stick it in the microwave. I stuck it in the microwave for 30 seconds. One of the videos, I think she said she put hers on a minute. I'll link all of the videos I looked at below, but one of them she said a minute, but I did 30 seconds because mine got really hot. And once those 30 seconds is up, I took it out, and I don't know why I thought to do this, but I stuck my hands in there. Keep in mind, this is microwaved hot water. Like, don't do that. Do not do that. So what I did was I ran it under cold water and just squeezed out the excess soap, and it took me a minute. That's why I said don't use as much soap as I used, because it did get very soapy and it did take me a minute to get all of the soap out. So probably just about 1 to 2 drops of soap, but once you squeeze it out, guys, that is it. I cannot believe how clean this got and how easy it was. I definitely can't wait to clean the rest of my sponges. Like I said, I wanted to try it out with one and see how it goes, because I didn't want to burn them, you know, because I have seen those memes. But it came out very, very clean. Now I know it's still some makeup spots on here, but it is an old one. It's stained on there. I couldn't get that out even if I was scrubbing it. So I think it did a great job. It was very, very easy and I'm actually very impressed. So let me know if you guys have tried out this hack. If you have, let me know you guys' thoughts on it. And yeah, I think that is about it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.